Hello and welcome to another Video Maker tutorial. This is a tutorial for Video.Guru. Today we're going to be talking about rotating your video and a little bit of cropping. This is going to be a real short one, so I hope you stay for the whole thing. Let's hop right in. We're going to start a new project and we're going to upload a video. Just going to select something from space here. Our first step, we're going to play a little bit of the video, and then we're going to focus on that little white star. We then select our video, and all the way to the right, you'll see the rotate command. We'll give it a 90-degree twist. You can also flip or mirror the video or image. Next, deselect the video, slide over to our crop command, and choose the desired format. I'm going to go for the YouTube format. And voila, there's our cropped and rotated video. If I undo those processes real quick, undo the crop, and we select the video, you can crop individual videos and photos by selecting them. I have experienced some bugs when I upload multiple videos or photos at a time and not individually crop and rotate them. So be careful. Don't try and do everything all at once. Pace yourself and save your work often. Always save and save often. That concludes the lesson on rotating and cropping our video. If you would like to see the bug that I was experiencing, please continue watching. As always, please like and subscribe. I'm going to try and make more videos. And if you have any requests, please leave a comment below. In this clip, I'm experiencing a little bit of a bug with the cropping and the rotating. I tried doing it a couple times, and each time I think I have the YouTube format, it looks really tall and skinny, like it's in a TikTok format or something. And I keep trying to rotate and crop. This was a project where I had multiple videos uploaded, and I had a couple effects within the video. I'm not sure why this bug was occurring, but figured I'd scrap it and start over. If you've experienced this bug as well, please let me know. If it's just me and human error, also please leave a comment. I would love to figure out why this happens every now and then. It can be a little bit annoying. I know downloading format and video size is very important, so also be consistent when using those sorts of resources. Please subscribe and stay tuned for future Video.Guru Video Maker tutorial videos. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you next time.